Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I bring another easy and delicious recipe from my Bangladeshi kitchen. Mung bean and rice recipe. In Bengali, mung daler sada bhuna khichuri. The specialty of this recipe is it will look white, not yellow or red like most of the Bangladeshi or Indian dishes. First, take a look what we need. Also, I will put ingredient list with measurement in description box just down below of this video. I wash my rice and beans and let it soak in water for 40 minutes. If you don't have time, you can skip this part. Now let's start cooking. When oil gets warm, add all dried spices. We will cook this in medium heat and let fry these spices for a minute. Now add onion. For this recipe we will keep our onion white. So in a minute or two, when onion looks transparent, we will add rice and bean. I am adding my garlic and ginger paste here instead of in oil, otherwise it's gonna start sprinkling everywhere. We will fry our rice for about 2 minutes. I'm using 2 green chilies here. You can use more or you can just avoid this. We're gonna flip rices a little bit. Also there is no water left. Let's check the rice here. It looks like almost done. So we're gonna reduce the heat and cover it again. If your lid have any hole, block that. It will help to hold the moisture in. Since we don't have any water left, it will help to cook properly. Now after 8 to 10 minutes, you can see our rice and beans both looks perfectly cooked. So turning off the heat and make our serving dish ready. So here is our mung bean and rice. I add some fried onion on top and going to add a tomato flour on side or maybe on top. Nah, side is fine. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you make this, you can let me know here in comment or you can tag me on Instagram or Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and check out my other recipes. And thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy.